Okay, so these are few properties that you need to know. Right now, I would like to go for these two. A dot B cross C equals to A cross B dot C, and the other one as well. It's a dot and cross product. If I'm not mistaken, they will not be given in exams. So let's try the first example first. The first properties. Okay, the question says something like this. Show that A dot A cross C equals to 0. And how do we show this? Well, firstly, we need to know the properties. The properties is this. A dot B cross C is equals to A cross B dot C. I know this is different, but we try to put them in the good. We try to retranslate them in this way. Okay, I'm having a degree word. I was about to use degree word just now. So this one, if you ever wonder what's the use of mathematics, this is one of the way. We try to find a real world example that's the same as the formula. I think that the easiest one I can say is Black-Scholes formula, which we use for saham stocks, but that's another topic. Okay, so we try to retranslate them. Okay, so A becomes A. We try to translate them this way. So your A, how do I say this to you? Sorry about that. Okay, your A is A, and we try to write them back. So this one becomes A cross A dot C. Are you okay? Do I need to explain how you get there? Are you okay with it, right? You're not okay. It's quite obvious from my mind, so I can have difficulties. Alright, so these are the formula. Okay? So this is our thing. So A dot A cross C. Are you okay? Are they the same? Are they following? I mean, they just follow the same arrangement. Okay, they just follow the same arrangement. Okay. So if I say this is your first, your second, and your third, you need to follow as well. First, second, and third. First, second, and third. All right. So right now, your first is A. And the formula said cross. What's your second? Still A. Dot C. What's your third? C. Are you okay now? Alhamdulillah. It's not easy to explain something hard, something simple. Okay, it's easy to explain something hard, but it's easy to explain something simple. It's hard to explain something simple. All right, what do we get when we do A cross A? What do we know about A and A? Are they the same formula, the same direction, or the different direction? They are the same direction. If A cross A, what will I get? Why do I get 0? Wrong. Not perpendicular. Because they are parallel. If things are parallel, I get equals to 0. Okay? We know the fact that A cross B equals to 0 when parallel. Since these two are the same, they are parallel. So I will get myself 0 dot C. You need to write this in exams. Okay? Since we know that A cross B equals to 0 when it's parallel, and A cross A is parallel, so it's 0. You need to write it down. Now what happens when 0 dot C? Anything that's 0 will becomes 0. So we have proven right now that A dot A cross C equals to 0. Alright? Alright, so that's one example. Okay, so let's try this one. The next question, okay, alright, we are given B and C, and we were told that A dot B we got 5, A dot C we got 4, and all of a sudden said, okay, find A cross B cross C. As you can see over here, we don't know what is A. Am I right? We do not know what is A. You might say like, what the heck, how do we solve this? Well, it depends on here first, A cross B cross C. Because as I mentioned to you just now, it's something that you need to memorize. It's part of the dot and cross product formula. Right? So never mind, I rewrite it again. In it, it's like this. A cross B cross C equals to A dot C B minus A dot B C. Let me reconfirm things. There's no dot over here. They're just like kurungan. They're just a bracket and that thing. Don't worry, this is a lot easier compared to just now. So simply means we got your A, B, and C. We got all of them here. Simply right now, do we know our A dot C? We know it's 4. Do I know A dot B? I know it's 5. Minus, do I know B? I know it's over here. 3 to negative 1. Do I know C? It's over here. 1, negative 4, 2. And now, we multiply them. 12, 8, negative 4, minus 5, negative 20, 2. 12 minus 5. Did I get it wrong? Which one is 10? 2 times 5. I thought I didn't make a mistake this time. Okay, 12 minus 5. 7, 8 minus 20. 28. Minus 14. Are you okay? Allahu Akbar. Something wrong here. Okay, the second example is easier compared to the first one. But do take note, do we need to know these two, sir? Well, it used to come out in past year. That's why I take the long effort to show you. Right, so do take note those two formulas. Let me rewrite it for you. A dot B cross C equals to A cross B dot C, and the other one is A cross B cross C. A dot C B minus A dot B C, and I don't think it's given in exams. Okay, so that's done. Please thank you, comment, share, like and subscribe.